To add an admin or team member to a Thinkific account, it's essential to understand the process, as it's a common inquiry for those running online businesses who work with various virtual assistants and want to grant them access to manage courses. The process is relatively straightforward and can be handled from the Thinkific homepage. To start, navigate to the left menu and click on Users, then select All Users from the drop-down menu. This will display all existing users in the Thinkific account. To add a new admin, click the New User button, which allows entry of the new user's first name, last name, and email address. It's crucial to use the correct email address, as this is where the invitation will be sent. Scrolling down, there's an option to choose whether the new user should create their own password or have one created for them, along with the choice to send a welcome email notification. The next step is to assign the user's role, such as site admin if the upgraded plan is available, or course admin for those with a standard plan. Other options may also be available, depending on the plan. After filling out the necessary information, click Save at the top right. The page will refresh, and the new user will be added to the list of all users, with their assigned role clearly indicated. This process is the simplest method for adding admins or team members to a Thinkific account, but alternative methods may exist.